I'm keeping it. I'm going down with the ship.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's talk about Palantir stock. This is another stock that I believe is a bear market buy. Anytime this stock goes into a bear market, you want to accumulate this one, because the last time this one went into a downtrend, bear market, correction, whatever you want to call it, however you want to phrase it, anytime this thing has had, let's go to the monthly chart, anytime this thing has had any kind of a pullback, significant pullback, which you're getting a significant pullback, and with Trump in office, who knows what might happen, we could go lower, but ultimately any pullback has been nothing more than an opportunity to drop as low as $5.84 in the previous bear market, only to then skyrocket to $125. In the previous bear market, it came from a high of $45. So from 45, dropped as low as 5.84, then hit a high of 125. I'm sure if this continues, like it has, we could see this come down even lower. Don't ask me what price, I wouldn't know. The best we can do is start accumulating it as cheap as possible once it gets down to that 200 moving average, because usually it'll come down there. As you can see in the previous bear market, it did come down to that purple line. So once it comes down to that purple line, you're usually buying at a discount. Like, imagine being the sucker that bought at 45, whereas if you waited for that purple line, you bought it around 25. So wait for that purple line. As soon as it touches it or gets really close to it, that's like around 65, 66, 67. Then I want you to think about the fact that if you just wait for that purple line, that weighted moving average, 200 weighted moving average, you're getting a huge discount. You're buying it at half off. And this is why I always tell people, just wait for this purple line. Well, Shades, what if it doesn't go there? Oh well, there are plenty of stocks right now that are at that purple line or under it. So go buy those instead while you wait for this one to come down. If it doesn't, oh well, at least you're buying others that are at that purple line. Again, you get a huge discount. Imagine buying color stock at $5.49 because you didn't have the patience to wait for that purple line at $120, $130. At this point, you're getting a massive discount, 1/5 of a discount, 1/4 of a discount from highs. That's how you have to think about it. So Palantir, this one, if you want, just start accumulating it here if you want, but I'm going to wait for that purple line. In terms of the bottom line, because in a bear market, you can't do much. Correction, whatever you want to call it. In a downtrend, we can't do much because it just keeps dropping. Like, things just keep going down. That's just how it is. It's not a bull market. It just keeps going down. So that's when you want to look at the numbers. What's going on with the total revenue here? Keeps increasing year over year. And their balance sheet, fine. Everything looks good here. Are they profitable? Absolutely. And again, they just keep growing. And the bottom line looks good. So I'm going to give this one a bear market buy. I just gave you the strategy. But you can use this one with other stocks out there. I mean, Nvidia stock is literally underneath that purple line. And every time it has gone under, it's usually a bear market, and usually we come back up and skyrocket from lows. So a low of 10 to a high of 150. Palantir, a low of 5 to a high of 125. Buy the dip, guys. This is not the time to be scared. Get in there on Palantir and your favorite stocks that have a history of strong recovery after a bear market.